Choose your destiny.
What's going on, people? It's your boy C-Leg, Mr. Guap, back again with another Freestyle Saturday for y'all. You know what I mean? Steve, you want to get at it, nigga? Follow me on Twitter. That's at C_LIG. Let's see, Mr. Guaps 1000 on Facebook. Mr. Guaps 1000 on YouTube. You know what I mean? Same thing. Google a nigga. That's Mr. Guaps 1000. If I'm not mistaken, it might be C-Leg. You know, C-LIG. You know what I mean? Type both of that and you find me regardless. You know what I mean? Check out my nigga T-Steel. He got a new video out right now. Called Don't Speak. Let me see. Snout's got a new video out right now. Forgot the name of the video. But anyways, y'all watch out for that shit. My nigga Trick Teasy with the mixtape out right now. Try Living. Y'all go ahead and grab that. You know what I mean? Got some more shit coming out from other artists on Gigolo, like J Breeze, Ratchet Princess, New Aspect, you know what I mean? So y'all watch out for all that shit. Harmoniella got a new Soul CD coming out, you know what I mean? So y'all just be on the lookout, man, you know what I mean? If you want to check out what's going on with us, hit us up, www.gigolorecords.com. Anything, man. We blogging, all that shit, man. You know, entertainment, news, new videos coming out, new music coming out, new material, anything, you know, just hit us up right there, man. Gigolo Records. Murder 781, you don't want not. See, look in this bitch, man, you know I always act dumb. Insane in the brain, nigga, this ain't what you want. Take off your bras in the car, use a fucking broad, use a hoe, man, we know that you's a prank. Soon the cameras come on, you niggas start to act. Matter of fact, you high like mouses. I'm the type of nigga that be creeping in houses. Tone to your head, low nigga. Fuck around the end out there, low nigga. Always in the hood, that's what it be, low nigga. I'm a G, low nigga. You ain't fucking seen me. So what the fuck you talking all that bullshit for? If I see you in person, I'ma drag you like a hoe. Red you don't want not. Nigga, I'm the shit, you must be fucking dumb, nigga. Take off your brogues and your claws, low nigga. Everybody in the city know that you's a fucking broad, nigga. You think you hard, nigga? Well, this is what it be. I sing it to the morgue, nigga. Make you meet the Lord, nigga. Yeah, cause I'm a G-Lo daddy. Uptown real nigga, man, you never had this type of nigga on your ass like a fucking cop, nigga. Do what I gotta do, I'm marching on the block, nigga. Where you at, nigga? You home watching Maury Povich? Well, I'ma show you what to do with hoes on the pole, bitch. For them niggas, man. But I ain't about that dumb shit, nigga. I about making these hits. I let you know right now, you ain't wanna fuck with it. DIG Records 2012, y'all get at us. Freestyle Saturdays, I'm doing this shit every week. You know what I mean? New albums, new music, new videos, we coming, you know what I mean? We entertainers, we artists, we ain't fucking players, we ain't wannabes. Y'all niggas check these CDs out, check these mixtapes out, check these collaborations out, man. We out here, we doing it. South Carolina, we on the map, nigga, you know what I mean? I guess y'all know what time it is with me, man. I've been doing this for a little minute and I'ma keep doing it. I just started this freestyle shit. This shit ain't gonna never quit, man. You know, I like this shit. I like fucking with y'all. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all get at it, nigga. Next Saturday. Word. Fuck with it.